Welcome children to our social studies lesson, and today's lesson is about health as well. Of course, in this time of COVID-19, we are all sitting at home because of this coronavirus. We're not allowed to move out or go to school or mingle with friends, relatives. No shopping, no beaches, no playing. Everything is within the four walls of your house. And even if you have to go out, you have to have a mask. You have to, if possible, wear gloves. You have to keep social distancing. You have to maintain so many protocols to keep yourself safe. So today we are going to deal with some, you can say, inventions that have been made by people, which has helped in the development of medical sciences. So let's come to the first one, that is about a thermometer that is used to measure your temperature. Chapter 6, Health is Wealth, on page 257. What do you do when you or a family member has fever? What do? You take medicine, you drink hot water. When you have a cold, also you take medicine, you have some tablets that will stop the cold. And when you have cough, you gargle with hot water, drink hot water, and you don't drink cold drinks or eat ice cream. You keep yourself warm. Do you know the meaning of the proverb, health is wealth? Medicine is a branch of science that deals with the treatment of diseases. Today, many diseases are curable because of modern medicine and health care. Now, you see, coronavirus is the latest disease that is found all over the globe. And it's a sad part to know that the virus still is not conquered by medical science. Medical science has failed to conquer coronavirus, which is running around catching so many people, young and old alike. So there are many fields in which medical science has failed to provide vaccines or cures for so many diseases, and coronavirus happens to be one. Vaccines are available to prevent some diseases. Several discoveries and inventions have helped people live healthier and longer lives. The progress that has taken place in medical science is the result of observation and experiment. So even today, you will read in the newspapers, you will know everywhere that people are doing so many experiments and so many types of research to find out a vaccine for coronavirus. Observation and experimentation led to the inventions of various instruments and methods of treatment. Let us learn about some of these inventions. Do you know the meaning of the proverb, health is wealth? Medicine is a branch of science that deals with the treatment of diseases. Today, many diseases are curable because of modern medicine and health care. Vaccines are available to prevent some diseases. Several discoveries and inventions have helped people live healthier and longer lives. The progress that has taken place in medical science is the result of observation and experiment. So even observation and experimentation led to the inventions of various instruments and methods of treatment. Let us learn about some of these inventions. The first one is thermometer. The thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. That is why you have the name Fahrenheit on one scale of the thermometer. In 1714, before the invention of the thermometer, the only way to judge a person's temperature was by feeling the pulse or feeling the forehead. So before the thermometer, you have to feel the pulse or you have to feel the forehead to know if a person is running temperature. This did not give a very correct idea of the temperature. The doctor's thermometer uses mercury because it has a high boiling point and a low freezing point. That is why you have mercury in a thermometer, that is a silver liquid, and that becomes, it freezes at a very low point and it has a high boiling point, and that is why it is used in a thermometer. When a person has fever, the mercury rises about 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. F stands for Fahrenheit. Next page, please. Stethoscope. Now this you find all doctors having it. That is used to check the sounds made by the heart and also the pounding of the lungs or the heart. The stethoscope was invented by a doctor named René Laennec. It is an instrument essential for every doctor. It magnifies the sounds made by the heart and lungs. Thus, the doctor is able to understand the condition of a person's heart and lungs. So the doctor takes the earlobes thing, and he puts it in the earlobes, and he has a round thing which he keeps here, and to hear the heartbeat. He keeps it on the back also, and through that he can hear the heartbeat and identify whether it is beating too fast or too slow, and if you are suffering from some disorder in your heart. Microscope. This instrument was first made in Holland in 1590 by Zacharias Janssen and his father. The microscope enables us to view microorganisms that are invisible to the naked eye. The invention of the microscope and the discovery of microorganisms has helped doctors understand the nature of many diseases and find out ways of preventing or curing them. So a microorganism is magnified under the lens of a microscope. So you have a microscope, the picture there, the lens is there, and the object to be magnified is kept in the plate over there, the disc sort of thing, and then you turn the lens and the small microorganisms is enlarged and you get a perfect view. Other instruments. Beside the thermometer, the stethoscope and the microscope, several new instruments and machines have been invented. X-ray machines, ECG machines and CT scanners are some of them. ECG is electrocardiogram. X-ray machine and laser scanners. An X-ray machine is an apparatus which gives a picture of the inside of a person's body. When you break your arm or your hand, or you have some problem with your head, then you go in for an X-ray where the whole image, the inside of the body is taken, and then the doctor is able to identify the problematic part. X-rays are especially important for identifying fractures of the bones. If you fall down and have a fracture, immediately you are advised to take an X-ray so that the X-ray will show you where the fracture has occurred. Scanners enable doctors to understand the problems of internal organs such as the brain. So a scan is done to understand the problem of the brain, and also sometimes for the liver and the digestive system too. Laser is a new technology. By using laser rays, doctors are able to treat patients without cutting open the affected parts. So in olden days, even today, we have surgery, that is cutting the body and then doing the needful. So now laser is a very advanced type of science that helps doctor to treat the patient without doing surgery. With this, I come to the end of today's lesson. For your homework, please remember to draw a clinical thermometer and a stethoscope in your notebook and take a picture, a photograph, and send to the school WhatsApp number. Thank you.